Hi, Christian here, and owner of Tinsley Transfers. I'm about to show you our very different and very unique blood effects. Now, what makes this blood so unique and different from other bloods is not only does it look real, but it also dries. Now, the advantage to that is, after you have it applied, it's not going to transfer to anything or anyone. Let me demonstrate. Okay, I think that looks like a nice head injury. We're going to take a minute and let that dry, and then we'll be back to check on it. Hey everyone, we're back, and it's been a few minutes. We're going to check to see if the blood is dry. Looks pretty good. So we have a blood that dries, we have a blood that looks wet, and we have a blood that's not going to transfer to anything or anyone. Now, just as easy as this blood was to put on, it's also just as easy to remove with water. Let me demonstrate. All right, I think we've tortured him enough. But as you can see, the blood comes off very easily with water and no staining of the skin. So we hope you enjoy your experience with our blood effects. Ready?